Hey, welcome back to my channel. Just a little quick impromptu, well, it's not impromptu actually, it was planned. So ignore that, it was planned. I have got some exciting things coming. Yes, I can't wait to share them with you. The first thing that is coming is starting next week on Thursday, and it is the Summerween craft along. Me and my wonderful friend Belle from Bellaboo Creations. If you've been with me for a while, you would have heard me mention Belle in my videos. I absolutely love her crafts. She does creep on June like no one else. It is just absolutely amazing. So we have been chatting, and we are going to collab together, and we are doing a Summerween craft along. So it's a 13-day collaboration, and it's just going to be fun. So we both love grunge and we both love spooky, so this was perfect. Very aware that Summerween is normally the month of July, but do you know what, in crafting there's no rules, so winning. And yeah, it's going to be 13 days. We have got 13 technical prompts and 13 spooky prompts. You will be able to get the prompt list on our Kofis. I will link both of them in the description box down below. I will also link Belle's YouTube channel in the description box down below as well. So hop on over and give her some love because she's amazing. And we've got some really cool prompts going on. So each day we're going to have a technical prompt and we're going to have a spooky prompt, and we're going to intertwine them. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be making 13 tags, and we have got, I don't know if you remember, but a few weeks ago I decorated a little wooden crate. I haven't got one with me at the moment, which is really bad planning. I do apologise. Bear with me. I haven't found the one, because they're in a box somewhere, and I think the box is underneath another box, so I'll have to pull all the boxes out. But this is the crate. This is the one that I did in a previous video. This is the crate that we're going to be using. It's from the works, so it's a couple of quid. It's not a lot of money at all. Little wooden crate. I painted it and decorated it. So this is the crate that we're going to be using, and we're going to be filling it with 13 tags. Now these are the Dina Wakeley medium size 8 tags, and from Budley Crafts you can get a pack of 50. Now I've got a funny feeling they're too big, but they're only too big by one line on the ruler, so I might just trim 13 of these down so they fit. That might be an idea if I can find my right. So I've literally, this is all I've trimmed off of each side, so teeny weeny bit, and now they fit perfectly in the box. And they're going to be 13 of them. So these measure 3 inches by 6 and 2 lines. So 3 inches by 6 and 2 lines. So if you want to get your homework done, if you want to get your 13 tags ready to go, if you're going to follow along with us, then definitely do that. So 3 inches by 6 inches and 2 lines. Perfect. And don't forget to go over to mine or Belle's Kofi site and get this downloaded. It will be so much fun. I cannot wait to see what Belle comes up with, because she thrives in the spooky time, and this is just there's gonna be grunge, there's gonna be texture, there's gonna be so much. It's gonna be absolutely awesome, and I cannot wait. So first off, we're gonna have the box is gonna be on Tuesday, and Belle is going to be uploading in the morning and I will be uploading in the evening. So we're going to have the box where we're both going to decorate the box on Tuesday, and then on Thursday the 13th is when the collab is going to start. It's when we're going to start making the tags. So I hope you can join us. I hope you join in and create too. If you do, don't forget to use the hashtag. The hashtag is Summerween Craft Along. So make sure you put that in your videos or on your Instagram posts or anything, because we really, really would love to see what you come up with. It's just going to be so much fun. And I will see you all again in my next video. Happy crafting, everybody, and take care. Bye.